So it's, what's the date today? November?
It's November
18th.
sometime anyway.
So we are having a bit of a rain shower in
Rain shower?
kihei.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm too, yeah, it's thunder. There's thunder and lightning. Actually, I haven't seen the lightning, but we can hear the thunder.
You hear the thunder.
And Joe and I, in all our time of coming here, we've only actually walked in one of these.
we walked in it for a long way.
To get a coffee, and it was beautiful.
That's why everything's so lush here, though.
Warm.
Look at that. It is beautiful. It's like being in a greenhouse right now. The sprinkler's on. It's about 80. It's still over 80. It's about 85
look
degrees.
At the parking lot.
It's flowing down there.
Whoa.
Huh? We're up on the high end of the complex here.
Wow.
So much water's in there.
Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Pretty nice.
Birds are all quiet now. And what time? It's probably around 1:30. Yeah. So it just started about 5 minutes ago.
It'll die down. It ends pretty quick.
Oh yeah.
Usually.
Gorgeous.
It is actually. I love the rain.
Yeah.
Jacaranda trees. Got some coconut palms. Got it all.
Oh, there's the sun. Get out there, trying to break through. Hey?